In this video, we'll show you how to change the ignition coils on your Chevy Silverado. You can find them on CarParts.com via the link in the description. There are 4 ignition coils located on the passenger side and 4 located on the driver's side. Passenger side ignition coils may be difficult to access. Using a small hook, disconnect the ignition coil power. Simply pull on the ignition coil wire to disconnect it.
Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now.
Using a ratchet, an extender, and a 10mm socket, remove the 2 bolts holding the coil. You can order the ignition coils used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new coil. Put the coil back. While holding the assembly, screw the retaining bolts back in by hand. Screw it in until it makes contact using the ratchet. Finish tightening using a torque wrench. Plug the electrical connector back in and lock it. Reconnect the ignition coil wire. You can now repeat the process on the other ignition coils. We advise you to change the ignition coils one by one, as it is important not to swap coils. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right, CarParts.com.